this one's called Mother Nature, you know, because as funny, as fun as it seems, we doing all the things that we're doing. We have to recognize that if we destroy all of this now, our grandkids will miss so much. And since I didn't come here to preach, we're going to this song. Yeah. Got to protect Mother Nature. Got to protect Mother Nature, yes. World is in a crisis, and we got to do our best. Got to protect Mother Nature. Oh, got to protect Mother Nature, yeah. World is in a crisis, and we got. See them acting as if it's not relevant. Killing the rhinos, the bears and the elephants. Global warming is evident. Milking the earth for the elements. Watch how them hunting the lions on the African plain. So many species gone, oh my what a shame. No one is pointing fingers, no one to be blamed. Them a call out your name. Protect Mother Nature. Got to protect Mother Nature, yes. World is in a crisis, and we got to protect Mother Nature. Got to protect Mother Nature, yeah. World is in a crisis. How you guys feeling? Them spreading poison above and on the ground. Now a population of animals and plants gone down. From melting ice caps in the polar seas, plastic oceans and overfish seas. Signs are clear, yeah. So much pollution everywhere, yeah. Oh yeah. Signs are clear, like fire burning down your highway. Oh yeah. Got to protect Mother Nature. Got to protect Mother Nature, yes. Got to protect Mother Nature. Got to protect Mother Nature, yeah. World is in a crisis. Now let's talk to the people with technological advancements and vehicles. Hey, whether you steal it or you drive it or you fly. Now tell me that you've never seen a sign in the sky. Signs are clear. So much pollution everywhere. Signs are clear. Like fire, fire burning. No why. Got to protect Mother Nature. Got to protect Mother Nature. Got to protect Mother Nature. Ain't got to protect Mother Nature, yeah, yeah. Irene, 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 Irene. Yeah, oh. Yeah, oh. Got to protect Mother Nature. 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 Yes, in the world. Got to protect Mother Nature. Got to protect Mother Nature. Yes. Got to protect Mother Nature. Got to protect Mother Nature. Yeah. Got to protect Mother Nature. We've got to do our best. Newport, Richey, how you doing?